Okay, so this is not finished and not glued, obviously, but the Tyrael is now with all of the base paints. He needs shading and all of the detailing work in gold, so he will look different, but I just wanted to show how it looks nice now, done by someone who, like, this is my first painting ever, so I'm not amazing. It is done in black cheap black paint with a bit of silver sparkling metallic paint. All of this is just multiple layers of sparkling gray paint. This is just generic white paint, generic blue sparkle, a lot of detail has to be done here, and generic cheap gold paint. And he is looking, I would say, quite good. If I know where to look, there's a lot of details I don't like, and it's not a perfectly configured printer either. So if you look from a very short distance, you can see, yeah, clearly here there are issues with visible layers. But no one will do that, because you will look at it like this from 10-15 centimeters on a shelf, so it will look quite good. One comment I have is those things, everything is loose. They could have been better push fit. Obviously it will be glued in, so none of this matters, but yeah, it's clearly made to be like seen from the front, which I think will be amazing. And even now it looks really good. Obviously in this sun it really sparkles, but I think with some gold and wings it will be just magnificent. Jump cut to the base, because editing is hard. So this is the base, black. This is few layers of different browns. There is a visible seam that we are going to slowly remove with few layers of brown, and this is going to be dusty, old. We are going to add some sand here, and this will have washes and everything. Detailing work here, but this is going to be very old base, dusted, dry brushed with dust and some growing plants, and he's going to hover here perfect and clean without any washes or anything, just with detailed work. Yeah, hopefully we can finish this week, and I will pop an update. That's all.